How do you explain what you do? I get asked this all the time when people have loads and loads of different things they're doing. Oh, but James, we do 5 different things and 6 different things and blah, blah, blah. My clients don't talk like that, but they do when I'm quoting them. But people feel like things are really complicated. There's lots of stuff going on. And all we need to do, from my point of view, is really simple and straightforward. But I've done this over 500 times now, and that's to chunk up. So to step up from the granular and the specific to the high level and the principle. So what I would urge you to do, if you've got a business where you're doing lots and lots of different things for lots and lots of different people, there's not much you can do about that, is there? But how we go about articulating that is, say you have 6 things, I would try and chunk them into 2 categories of 3 things, or 3 categories of 2 things, just like that, and then have a way of articulating that overall. I'll give an example from my own business, because clear sales message is mostly what I do, but I do other things besides. I'm essentially a sales trainer, but I don't like to use the term for lots of different reasons. So when I explain to people what I do, what I'm doing, I often start with, I teach people how to sell. That's my top line. I teach people how to sell. And for me, it comes in 2 parts. The first part, and it is in this order, the first part is having a clear sales message. So being able to articulate what your product or service is and does and why somebody would wish to buy it. And the second part is what I call selling confidence, having the ability to communicate and be natural and confident in a selling situation. When you have clarity of message and confidence of delivery, that leads you to conversion. So I've covered a lot of ground in that explanation, but by stepping you in, so teach people how to sell, clarity, then confidence, then conversion, it's a lot easier than me just saying, blah, 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 here's all the stuff I do, or worse, just saying, yeah, I'm a sales trainer, and then hoping that you understand that.